What's good, y'all? You back with Streetz, freestyle cooking with Streetz. You already know what it is, man. Another great video, great recipe I'm sharing with y'all. Thanks for tuning in. We going right in, y'all. Okay, you know what I mean? We going right in, man. Ain't no need to talk y'all heads off on this intro. All right. So what we doing tonight, y'all, is we doing a beef and broccoli, but we doing it with veal, y'all. So we doing the veal and broccoli. You know what I'm saying? So we doing the meat from the baby cow. Okay, from the calf. That's how we doing it, y'all. We got some veal up on the board. I got me some veal cubes. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop the cubes down a little thinner. You know what I'm saying? Because normally when you make a beef and broccoli, you want to use a cut of steak that you can really chop thinly. You know what I mean? That's tender. So we're gonna hook this up. Okay, because I love veal. I happen to be in my market. They had the veal cubes cut up like this already. You can buy the veal cutlets and cut them up. You know what I mean? Which will probably be easier to get you those thin strips of steak. But we're going to do our thing. All right, so we got our veal. We're going to do the veal and broccoli, y'all. All right, so we about to get it in. All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. So first we're gonna start by, we got some cubes, and some of them are a little bit thick. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just slice them down, like cut them in half, like that. Give me just smaller pieces, like that, y'all. Just try to get them real thin. Any fat chunks. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to cut my veal down a little bit more. Come back. All right, y'all, there we go. I done cut my veal down a little bit more, as you can see. Try to make it like thinner strips. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in a bowl. All right, got it in my bowl. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is I want to go ahead and make a marinade for my veal. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna make the marinade. Now, mind you, I forgot to tell y'all this was about a pound of the veal meat cut in the cubes. So, like I said, you can get if you can't find the cubes or you can't go to your meat market and get it cut up, you can find them in packs of cutlets, and just cut them up. Okay. All right. So first, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of some Shaoxing cooking wine. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon soy sauce. And next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. Real good, y'all. This is going to tenderize our meat. So that cornstarch that we add, don't forget to add that cornstarch, y'all. Okay? That's what that's going to tenderize our meat. All right, I might just add one more teaspoon. All right, y'all, add one more teaspoon because I don't want it too watery. Like I said, it's only about a pound of the cubes. All right, but that should be good enough right there, bro. All right, that's gonna get our meat nice and tender. All right, and we're gonna let that marinate for about 30 minutes. All right, y'all, next up, we're gonna make our sauce. Okay, that was our marinade. We're gonna make our sauce for our veal and broccoli. First, I'm gonna add some beef broth, about 1/3 cup, y'all. All right, 1/3 cup. Next, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. A tablespoon of the Shaoxing wine. All right, next 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. A pinch of salt. Next, a pinch of white pepper. And a pinch of black pepper. And a teaspoon of cornstarch. And about a teaspoon of honey. And a tablespoon of water, y'all. All right. And we're going to go ahead and mix this up. Go ahead and mix this on up. That's going to be our sauce. All right, y'all. Now that my sauce is mixed up, put to the side, I had already chopped up some broccoli. Okay. So I got me some water boiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blanch my broccoli, y'all. That's going to keep the broccoli with that fresh green color. You know, we got some fresh broccoli. We still want that crunch, that bite in the broccoli. And we want that nice, pretty color when we get it plated up. All right. So how we do this is we're going to blanch it in boiling hot water. I got some boiling hot water. And then we're going to put it right into an ice bath. All right. So we're going to put it in boiling water for about 3-4 minutes. Then straight to the ice bath, y'all. All right. And I'll be back. All right, y'all. There we go. We got our broccoli up in the ice bath. And you see how bright green that it is? You see how good it looks? Yeah, y'all. Look how bright green and fresh that look. Oh, yeah. That's exactly how we want it. All right. So we're going to go ahead. Move this to the side. You know, just sit that in the bath for about 3 minutes. And get my wok ready so we can get this thing popping. Let's do it. All right, y'all. Got the wok out. Got it up on induction plate ready to go. Now you're going to need some chopped garlic, y'all. Some chopped ginger and some shallots. All right. I should have mentioned that earlier. You know, whenever you stir fry, you kind of can't do no stir fries, y'all, without shallots, onions, ginger, garlic. I mean, that's like essential almost. And like almost any kind of Chinese or Asian stir fry. All right. So I already got me some chopped up fresh garlic that I chopped up. Some shallots that I got chopped up. And I also got some chopped ginger. Okay. I usually have the fresh ginger, but I didn't have any, but I always keep some chopped ginger on hand just in case. All right, y'all. That's how we doing it. Let's get it in. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this up. We'll get this on a medium high. And I'm going to just go ahead and let my wok heat up a little bit, y'all. All right. Because I want my wok, you know, nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of sunflower oil. That mixed around. All right, y'all. And let my wok heat up for a second. All right, y'all. My wok nice and hot. Go ahead and get my meat up in there, y'all. Oh, yeah, that sizzle. That's what we want, y'all. You hear that sizzle, you know everything is going smooth so far. We're going to go ahead and just spread your meat out. And you just want to let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes, y'all. All right, to help us with the sticking. All right, let it do its thing for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to mix this thing on up, y'all. All right, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, I kind of started stirring it up. All right, and we just want to cook it to where it's no longer pink, y'all. All right, that's what we want to do. We want to continue to cook it till it's no longer pink. All right, y'all. I got my veal about the wok. As y'all can see, it's ready to go, y'all. Looking good so far. Kind of look like chicken, don't it? I'm telling you, man. If y'all never had veal, try veal. Like I said, it's the meat from the calf. Try it, man. It's a little bit more pricier than regular steak, but it's good, y'all. Check it out. All right. So we're gonna get the wok back up. Okay, on medium high. All right, add a little bit more oil. Say y'all about a tablespoon. All right, swirl it around, give it a chance to heat up. All right, y'all. Now that I got the wok nice and hot, go ahead and add in my ginger. All right, that's about a tablespoon. Give that a quick little stir. Next, I want to go ahead and add in my garlic. All right, so that's about 30 seconds. I'll go ahead and add in my broccoli. All right, I'm gonna stir the broccoli up for about a couple of minutes. All right, next I want to add some of my sauce. All right, and I'm gonna let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, y'all. All right, I done brought my wok up to high. I'm gonna let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been simmering about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add just a touch bit more cornstarch, y'all, just to get it a little bit more thicker. But yeah, that's what I wanted, y'all. So I'm gonna instantly get a little bit thicker, as y'all can see. All right, now I want to go ahead and add my veal back in. All right, I'm gonna give it a quick stir. All right, we're almost ready to get it up out the wok, y'all. All right, y'all, there we go. Real quick and easy. Got it about the pot. That's our veal and broccoli, y'all. With our sauce. Looking real good. See that steam coming up off of there. I can smell the flavors. I wish y'all could smell it. Get y'all a better look. All day, man. Y'all can serve this with some. Y'all can eat this with some rice. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably hook up some rice, some noodles. You can just eat it by itself just like this, y'all. All right? So, you know what I'm saying? Another recipe for y'all. You know what I mean? Veal and broccoli stir fry, y'all. Okay? Way better than beef and broccoli, y'all. A little bit, you know, that flavor, that taste, you're going to love it. All right? So, please subscribe, share, like, hit that notification bell for more videos. I'm going to just keep trying to bring them to y'all. Every time, you know, I'm doing something different for y'all. All right? Bringing it to y'all. Holla.